Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to securely transfer USDT from OKX to Binance in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have access to your wallet's seed phrase. It's crucial for managing your funds securely. Now let's dive in. Confirm your wallet type and compatibility. USDT can be transferred over ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20 networks. Double check that your OKX wallet supports the same network as Binance. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. Select USDT and generate a deposit address. Make sure to choose the right network. Match it with the one on OKX. Copy that address. Now access your OKX wallet. Haven't restored it yet? Use your seed phrase and get that done. Ensure you have enough USDT and any necessary network fees. Initiate the transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address in your OKX wallet. Select the correct network and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check everything, address, network, and fees, then confirm the transaction. Finally, monitor the transfer using a block explorer like Etherscan or Tronscan. Once the transaction is confirmed, Binance will credit your account. Remember, always secure your seed phrase, enable two-factor authentication, and double-check your details to avoid costly mistakes. That's it, you've successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance securely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and guides.